highballs. Hi all, it's time for some highballs. So today I'm gonna show you how to make my 3 favorites and how to elevate them with some super fun garnishes. The Whiskey Highball with my favorite whiskey, the Jameson whiskey. Absolut Raspberri with Rosemary. Absolut Pear with some black pepper and thyme, because that's a great combination.
Mixology. That nose is divine.
I'm here for the highballs. I hope you're here for the highballs. I'm AJ. Welcome to Absolut Drinks with AJ. Let's get into it. I love a good highball because you can take your favorite spirit and you can elevate it. It will last longer. A great way to highlight your spirit. We have AJ's Holy Highballs. First up, the Whiskey Highball. Look at that.
One of my personal favorites. Looks delicious.
So this is how we make it. If you add your ice first and you let it sit for a while, your product is gonna get watered out. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna start with the product. So I'm gonna go in with 45 ml. Then I'm gonna ice it up. There we go. Simple as that. Soda water. Look at that. I'm gonna garnish with a little lime wheel because it looks pretty. You could add a splash of lime if you want to, but this is the original. OG. So I'm just gonna pop it in there, get another ice cube in there. But if you want to, give it a little stir. There you go. Put the garnish back, and here you go. The OG of all highballs. Simple as that, 2 ingredients, quick and easy. It's a perfect drink for home. For any highball, I would say, if you like your base, you're gonna love it in a highball. Next up, Absolut Raspberri with some rosemary. This is how we make it. New glass. I love Absolut Raspberri, so I'm gonna make a highball of it. Look at that pretty little thing. That is amazing.
Look at you.
So we're gonna go in, same amount, 45 ml. Oh, spill there. Here we go, ice it up. Top it up with some soda water. Grab your spoon, give it a little stir. Add another cube. And we're gonna have our rosemary. So this is the rosemary, not this. This is rosemary. So let's get a little chunk off there. So the aroma in this one gives me rosemary. And why I picked rosemary for the raspberry is, if you think of food, you often pair raspberries with some rosemary. It's a great combination. Give it a little slap. Get those oils going and just stick it in there. I'm gonna top it up, ice. Look at that pretty little thing. And the rosemary is also gonna add a lot of smell to your drink. So as you lift it towards your face, you're gonna smell that rosemary, and that's gonna kind of trick your senses and make you feel like it tastes a little bit like rosemary. So stick it in there, grab a sip. That is amazing. Herby and berry. I like it. And as we know, all good things come in 3. Subscribe, like, send a comment. Comment on your favorite garnish, your favorite highball. Next one, Absolut Pears with rosemary. One more thyme. Highball number 3. Absolut Pear with black pepper and thyme. It's amazing. The Absolut Pear, oh, that's a good smell. Love me some thyme. Let's get into it. I'm gonna go with Absolut Pear. Same here, 45 ml. Let's keep it simple. There we go. Just ice it up. No surprises. Surprise, surprise. Top it up with some soda water. Give it a little stir. Really just wanna get the Absolut Pear and the soda water to be combined in the whole glass and not just be sitting down there. I'm gonna add some black pepper first. And some thyme. Let me get a good little bush. Give it a little spank. Oh, that's a good smell. Love me some thyme. There you go. Absolut Pear with black pepper and thyme. Let's give it a taste. We get a little spiciness from the pepper. Combines really well with the pear.
Can I try a little bit?
Please come up.
Oh, thank you.
Number 1.
Number 1.
Number 2 and number 3.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah. We got my Holy Highballs.
Great.
First, you got the Whiskey Highball, the classic, the OG.
One of my personal favorites. Looks great, looks delicious. Tastes exactly how I'd expect. Good ratio.
Yeah.
Almost considered its own art form in Japan. But let me see the absolute twists.
We got the Absolut Raspberry and Rosemary.
Very mature. Works very nice. Look at you. And one thing to remember when you do have like a herb garnish like this, you know, flavor is 80% aroma. You don't need to pound that into the glass.
No.
As long as it's there, you're gonna get those rosemary flavors. But this one,
The Absolut Pear with black pepper and thyme.
this one I'm very curious about.
This one is fun.
Black pepper and thyme, that nose is divine. Works great with the pear. This is always gonna be an OG, but when we're talking about twists and flips, this is definitely my favorite. That's delicious. Well done, AJ.
What works in food works in your drink.
Smart.
There's a brain behind it.
That's a script. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.
Please let us know what your favorite highball is, how you're gonna twist it.
Nice. How are we gonna see that?
Take a picture, hashtag it, Absolut Drinks, and Rico might find it on absolutdrinks.com.
And don't forget to ring the bell, guys, and never miss an episode. Cheers. Oh, delicious.
This is so good.
You forgot to say your bit.